What's up guys, this is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I got the Talion out again with the M2C shock towers, plus all the other stuff, the M2C stuff I've already had, and we're going to jump it again. Got quite a crowd here today. Yeah. Oh! Wow, that might be the highest I've ever had that one go.
That was incredible. The fact that you landed.
Yeah, I have a little bit of practice.
So this is just like a little short track.
I think I'm losing the one of the tires are coming unglued. These Durtrax tires are, you know, they're cheap. They're not the best. And I'm not sure which one's coming unglued. I think one of them totally is. Alright, so we got some really big ones in. Let's try to do a little of this. Might be the last run for these truggy tires. No grip and coming unglued. Wow. That tire's coming unglued. Nice. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a day. Again, hats off to Mitchell Looper and M2C Racing for making these upgrade parts so we can really send these things. I mean, this is a long way out there to be jumping an RC, and these shock towers, definitely straight chassis, straight. By the way, this is an M2C chassis. I don't know if you can see it. This is my test chassis. I anodized it black. And I am using his motor mount too, which is fantastic. Love his motor mount. And again, just a beast. Talions are a beast. I love sending them. They fly so nice. And we'll catch you guys next time.